Hey everyone, is Google Chrome eating your RAM and slowing down your PC? Well, today I will show you a real performance fix that actually works in 2025 and 2026. It's safe, simple, and we will see the speed boost instantly. So let's jump right in. The step number one, guys, please open Google Chrome and go to the top right corner. Click the three dots as you can see. Then go to settings. Once the setting page opens, just scroll down to system. Now turn off the option that says continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This one switch alone can instantly free up memory and reduce unnecessary RAM usage. Go ahead and turn it off. Step number two, guys, just turn off hardware acceleration. So just go to next, still in the system section, find the option use hardware acceleration from overloading your GPU, which makes your browsing smoother and more stable, especially on older or mid-range PCs. Step number third, just remove unused extensions. So this is just for a bonus tip that people always. So just click the three dots again, go to extensions, and then click manage extensions. Look through the list and remove the extensions you don't use. Every extension takes up memory and background resources. Fewer extensions, faster Chrome plus faster PC. And that's it, guys. So just stop Chrome from using too much RAM, and your PC should now feel faster, lighter, and optimized for 2025 and 2026, guys. This real working fix helped you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video. Have a wonderful day.